Well, hello, friends. So, this is a Sunday night, or actually, it's Monday morning, early Monday morning, because it's like 12:14 or something like that. But anyway, um, so what I'm fixing to do is I'm fixing to kind of show you the areas I'm going to be working on this evening in this video. And basically, what I'm going to do is I'm kind of doing, like a deep clean type of thing with me in my front entryway. And it's going to be my half bathroom. I've already did my deep cleaning in my kitchen and all that stuff. But one thing I got left to do is I need a sweep, vacuum, and mop. And I was going to do that in all of these areas here. So I figured I might as well do it all together. So anyway, that's what I need to do. But let me show you the areas I'm going to be concentrating on. Alright, so here's my half bathroom, and the sink kind of needs to be re-cleaned, and then you got spots, a little bit spots on the mirror right here that need to be cleaned. And then my toilet needs kind of cleaning. It's kind of hard to tell as you get really close. It needs a good cleaning and all that. So, and then of course, I was gonna just, try to do a little bit of deep cleaning in here and all that stuff. So anyway, so now that I showed you that, and as you can see, it needs to be kind of swept, vacuumed, mop type of thing and all that stuff. All right, well, let's go to where we need to do something else in the kitchen. Okay, so we're going to do a quick scan of the kitchen. Let me back the camera up here. All right, so as you can see, the table's it's clean. I keep the supplements out because we'll just have to get them back out anyway. So sometimes I put them away, but tonight I just kind of left them on the table. But anyway, that's our supplements right there. And of course, our, sink is pretty well done. The dishes are in the dishwasher. They're being cleaned right now, as you can see. They got like an hour and 30 minutes left, 38 minutes left. So that's done. And as you can see, the stove area has been kind of cleaned up and everything. You can see the time, 12:17. So anyway, and of course the island is done. So everything's been, like I said, pretty cleaned up and everything, except for the floor. So as you can see, there's some cat food on the floor right here. And then we got some cat litter on the floor and all that. So it just needs, like I said, swept, vacuumed, and mopped on the floor in here, and that's all that needs to be done in here in the kitchen. Okay, so that's pretty much what needs to be done. I'm gonna just kind of see what all I get kind of done this evening. Sorry guys, I keep putting the camera lower because I'm trying to get used to doing a selfie stick and all that stuff. So I'm trying to film with the selfie stick, and now I'm gonna use a tripod and all that. But anyway, so this is what I need to get done. And like I said, this is going to be filmed, recorded on July 26th, Sunday into Monday, and all that. So let's just see what we can get done in the front entryway, the half bathroom, and then of course the kitchen. All right, let's get busy. Well, friends, I thought I would hop on real quick before the video ends because it's pretty much nearing the end of this video. And yeah, during this time frame, I mean, after we had done the fence or whatnot, the remakeover on the backyard fence, I had really let my house go pretty much. So that's just why I named this video Taking Back My House, because it was time to get my house back in shape and everything. So anyway, that's what I'm kind of doing, is trying to do a little bit of deep cleaning to get my house kind of back in order and all that stuff. So anyway, if this is your kind of content that you like, make sure you do hit the subscribe button, notification bell to all, so that way you get all the alerts for when I post videos or any kind of updates. Okay guys, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.